Okay, good morning, second PUC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? Some important definitions. Okay, first vector definitions. What is the main definition? Once again, I will recall the important definitions. First one, vector. A quantity has magnitude as well as direction is called vector. Scalar. A quantity has magnitude only is called scalar. Next, zero vector. What is the zero vector definition? The initial point and terminal point are coincide. Initial point means starting point to ending point. Terminal point means ending point, coincide. Next, unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is unity is called unit vector. Unity means what? 1. Okay. Next, coinitial vector. Coinitial vector definition: two or more vectors having the same initial point. Two or more vectors having the same initial points. Next, collinear vector. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Parallel collinear vectors means what? Two or more vectors are said to be collinear, have the same parallel to the same line. Next, equal vectors. Equal vectors means the two vectors are said to be equal. The two vectors has magnitude same, direction same. Magnitude and direction both are same. Next, negation of vector. Negation of vector means a vector whose magnitude is same, but direction is opposite. Simply, okay. Negation of vector means magnitude same. Negation of vector means magnitude is same, direction is different. Unit vector formula. First, actually, what is the vector? Some examples. Given examples. Some vectors. Force. Vector force. Force means this is force is nothing but one direction. Force is a direction. Force front to back, back to front. This is for velocity. Velocity means the vehicle goes in speed for 20 kilometers per hour. This is direction. Velocity. Force. Velocity, acceleration, momentum, distance. These all are vector examples of vector. Next, examples of scalar. Time. Okay, time. Next, length, mass, time, temperature, density. These all are scalar. Next, direction cosines. A ray makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with x and y z axis. Positive direction of x axis, y x, positive direction of x and y, x, y, z axis respectively. Alpha, beta, gamma are called the directed angles. The cosines of angle cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines. The direction cosines are denoted by L, M, N. The relation of direction cosines is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. This is already discussed. So, next go to the exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. represent graphically a displacement. Represent graphically. Represent graphically a displacement of a displacement of 40 kilometer comma 30 degrees west of south graphical representation 40 kilometer displacement and west of south to 30 degrees angle. First actual ga this is directions. These are directions. This is west, east, west to east, west to east, north to south. Actually, this is the directions of four sides. So, west of south. So, south, west of south. So, west, this is west to south. Okay, west of south, the south to, this is west side, south to west side. West of south means south to west side. This is one. 30 degrees. This distance is 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 30 degrees. 40 kilometers. 40 kilometer means this is 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 kilometers. This is this direction is this one. West of south means south to west 30 degrees. This distance is 40 kilometers distance. This is O. This is O. P. O. P. Okay, clear? This is the example 1. In exercise 10.1 first problem, exercise 10.1 first problem, represent graphically, same, represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers 30 east of north, same 30 east of north, east of north, same. This is west to east to north to south to. So east of north means north to east, north to east. East of north means north to east. How many degrees? 30 degrees. This is 0, north to west. This is 30 degrees. This is P. 40 kilometers means this is 1, 20, 30, 40. This is 40 kilometers. This is the example 1 and exercise 1 problems. So, east of north means north, starting from north to west. West or east and okay, wrong. Okay, sorry. This is west. So, asking east of north. Okay, east of north means north to east. North to east means this is one. Oh, sorry. North to east. This is 30 degrees. This is P. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40 kilometers. This is correct. East of north means starting from north to east, not north to west. Okay, clear? First problem. Next one, second problem. Classify the following measures as scalars and vectors. Classify the following measures as scalar and vector. The meaning is the following some measures are given. The following measures are given. The measures is scalar or vector is identified. Okay. First one. 10 kg. 10 kg is a scalar or vector. 10 kg only weight. So no direction, only magnitude. So this is scalar. Next, second one. 2 meters north to west. 2 meter north to west. 2 meter north to west means direction. North to west is direction is given. So this is vector. Next, third one. 40 degrees. 40 degrees. 40 degrees is scalar or vector? (40°) only degrees, no direction. This is positive direction or negative direction not given. So this is scalar. Next, fourth one. 40 watts. 40 watts is also scalar, only watts, there is no direction. 40 watts is a scalar. Next, fifth one. 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Coulombs is nothing but volume. Coulombs is nothing but volume. Volume is nothing but scalar. Volume is the scalar. Next one. 20 meter per second square. 20 meter per second square is the velocity. Velocity is the vector. Velocity is vector. This is second problem. Next, third problem also same. Third problem. Classify the following as scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector quantities. Time period, first one. The given one is scalar or vector, decided. Time period. Time period means is a scalar. Time period, scalar, no direction. Next, distance. Distance. Distance means is scalar or vector distance? Scalar. Distance scalar. Distance, so distance is nothing but distance 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This is scalar, pakka. Next, third one. Force. Force, vector. Velocity. Velocity, vector. Work done, scalar. Okay, this is the third problem. Which one is scalar, which one is vector? Next, fourth problem. This is main thing is arrow. Arrow is main important. This one. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. First of all, observe the diagram. First point. First one. First point is co-initial vectors. Co-initial. Here how many vectors are there in the figure? In the figure how many vectors are there? 4 vectors. What are they? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. 4 vectors are there. In 4 vectors, what is the co-initial vectors? What is the definition of, first of all, we recall the what is the definition of co-initial vector? Co-initial vector is 2 or more vectors having the same initial point. Okay, same initial point. And initial point, this is OP, OQ, this one, this type. So here you go, A bar and D bar. A bar, D bar. This is A bar, D bar. A bar, D bar have the same initial point. So what is the co-initial vectors? A bar and D bar. A bar and D bar. Okay, next. A bar, B bar. A bar and D bar. Next, equal vectors. Equal vectors. What are the equal vectors here? D bar and B bar. B bar, D bar. Equal vector. Equal means what? 2 vectors are same magnitude and equal magnitude and equal direction. Same magnitude, same direction. So here observe the D bar. B bar is starting from this to here. This is also starting from here to here. So B bar and D bar. B bar and D bar are equal vectors. Next, third one. Collinear but not equal. Collinear but not equal. Collinear means what? 2 or more vectors having the parallel, having this parallel to the same. Parallel. Collinear vectors means what? Collinear vectors means parallel but not equal. Parallel. So this is B bar and D bar. Observe that B bar and D bar parallel equal. B bar and D bar. B bar and D bar parallel vectors and equal vectors. So here collinear but not equal. So A bar, C bar. A bar, C bar parallel. Okay, parallel but not equal because directions are different. So B bar, listen carefully. B bar and D bar parallel equal because same direction, same magnitude, so parallel. So collinear but this collinear. Collinear means what? Collinear nothing but parallel. Collinear nothing but parallel. So A bar, C bar parallel Parallel means collinear, but not equal. Not equal because these directions are different. So equal vectors means what? Magnitude, direction both are same. So A bar C bar parallel but not equal. B bar D bar parallel but equal. So A bar and C bar. A bar and C bar collinear. Collinear nothing but parallel but not equal. Okay. This is the fourth problem. Next one. Next one, fifth problem. Answer the following as true or false. A bar and minus A bar. A bar and minus A bar are collinear. A bar minus A bar collinear. What is the collinear definition? Collinear parallel. What is the definition of collinear? Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Parallel to the same line, on the same line. So direction is different. Direction is there is no relation. A bar minus A bar. The two lines are A bar minus A bar. A bar is this is A bar minus A bar. This is minus A bar. Opposite direction. So same line. This A bar is parallel to A bar. A bar is a parallel to A bar because collinear. A bar is a collinear because A bar is the same line. So A bar and minus A bar are collinear. Collinear because every line is parallel to the itself. Every line is parallel to itself. So parallel. Okay. Equal. Equal collinear. Parallel to the same line. Same line. Okay. Same line again, but now equal. Equal is not important. Equal. Parallel. Parallel is main. So equal or not equal is nothing. Okay. Not important. So A bar minus A bar, this is both same vectors. Same vector is nothing but collinear vector, parallel vector or okay. So this is true. This is true. This is the first one. Next, second one. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. Collinear vector, equal vectors means equal direction, equal magnitude. So collinear vectors are parallel is enough. Parallel is enough. So same direction, same magnitude. So two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. This is wrong because collinear vector means first point parallel. And next these directions are different, equal, okay, no problem. Directions, so must be, not must be, need not be, okay. So two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. Always equal in magnitude. This is false because collinear vector, two vectors are parallel enough. So equal vector, no problem. Equal vectors also parallel vector. So every equal vector is not a collinear vectors or parallel vector. So okay now every equal vector is collinear vectors, parallel vectors. So every collinear vectors or parallel vectors need not be equal vectors. Okay. Next, third one. Two vectors having the same magnitude. two vectors having the same magnitude are collinear. So two vector having the same magnitude means collinear. Parallel means collinear. Parallel, two vectors are parallel, same line, on the same line means collinear. So two vectors are same magnitude means is not a collinear. So this is also false. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude having the same magnitude are equal. So collinear vectors anedi two collinear vectors are parallel on the same line. This is the definition. Two collinear vectors need not be same magnitude, need not be equal. Equal means is a collinear, okay, no problem. Need not be equal, need not be same magnitude, only parallel on the line, okay, enough. So need not be equal magnitude. So compass, two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Same magnitude are equal means the two vectors are equal vectors, not collinear vectors. Okay, this is also false. Okay, some more examples are there. In example 2 in the page number 427, classifying the following measures are scalars and vectors. 5 seconds, vector or scalar, 5 seconds scalar. Next to 1000 centimeters cube is nothing but volume is scalar. Next to force is a vector. Speed means scalar. Density scalar. Velocity vector. Okay, and another more example is there. So first exercise completed. So in 1 mark question in the chapter, 1 mark question completed. 1 mark question is what? Definition, or scalar, vector. This is the 1 mark question. Tomorrow I will discuss the addition of vector, sum of the vectors, properties of the addition vectors, properties of vector addition. Okay, component of vectors, multiplication of a vector by scalar. This is some more. Okay, thank you.